Hey guys, this is Eve with Scrapbooking with Me, and hopefully this video is not going to be dragging and the sound is going to be with the video. I've had techs out here working on everything and they didn't really find any problems, so we have a couple more things to try before we completely say give up. So hopefully this will work. If not, then we have a couple more things to try to see if that will work. I'm hoping that everything is worked out okay. So we're going to make some cute little projects today, but they're really quick and easy. They'd be good to make for the kids, for their classrooms, for their friends. They're just these little milk cartons. And when they're finished, they measure, let me see, they measure 2 by 2 by 2 in the depth, and you could put something a little bit taller than 2 in there, but I think they're super cute. You can close them any way that you want, but I just put some seam binding and some twine on the top of mine. But we're going to make 4 of them, and then if I can get a chance, you know that this week we're working on everything for Made It Con, so we're kind of strapped for time. But if I can get a chance, I'm going to make the little carrier. It looks like a little cup carrier like you get at those places when you order a bunch of drinks and they put your cups in there. I'll make a little carrier for those for you and put it up tomorrow if I get a chance. If not, I will get it, I promise. So you're going to start out with a piece of cardstock that is 8 1/4 by 5 1/2. And on the 8 1/4 side, you're going to score at 2, at 4, at 6, and at 8. Then you're going to go back before you turn it and you're going to mark at 1 and at 5. So mark at 1 and at 5, just a little mark. Then you're going to turn it to your right and you're going to mark at 1 1/2 and at 3 1/2. Then you're going to flip it over, just pull it up and flip it over and score at 5. I think I said mark over here, but you're going to score at 1 1/2 and 3 1/2, and then flip it over and score at 5. So your 5-inch reverse score line is going to be right there where you made those little marks at the top. All right, so that's the scoring that you do. Now, if you want to put mats on these, you can put mats on these. Just make them 1 3/4 by 1 3/4 and put mats all the way around. I just wanted to put a little bit of decoration on the front of mine, so I just left them solid. I put a little stocking on that one and a little glitter snowflake there, and then just a little punch out that I had. Take your scissors before you do any folding, and up here where this is that little score line, up here you're going to cut just a teeny bit of that off, and then down here at the bottom you're going to cut that little part off right there. Then on these you're just going to go across. Now this is the opposite. Here's that little score line up here, the 5-inch one. So you're going to go across the bottom and just cut up on those. Just cut straight up. You know, I cut and then do my folding. Half the time I do that because I get so anxious to cut. You know, I love to hear paper cut. But go ahead and fold those before you cut. Either way, it works out the same. So go ahead and use your bone folder and burnish your score lines. And then on this top one, make sure that you flip it the opposite way as the other ones. Just like that. Now, where we made these little marks right here, you're going to go in with your score tool and a ruler, and you're just going to come down to that little first score line right there. So there's my mark. We're just going to come down there and go straight down to that point where those other score lines meet right there in the corner. And then you're going to do the same thing the other way. This makes the little edges or the little sides on the milk carton. So come straight down from that score line Don't score all the way up on this little part here. Just from that first score line down to your corners. Okay? See if you can see that. There you go. And then you're ready to put this together. And I'm going to put a little bit of score tape right there. Like I said, these are quick and simple. They would be good to produce a ton of them and send them to class with the kiddos with some goodies in them for Christmas. Or you can make these for Halloween, make them in a different color. Send little treats in them. Be a good little treat box for them. Now this is going to be my back right here because there's my where I put that together. So we're going to bring the two sides in, and I'm going to put a little bit of glue on one of these sides just to kind of hold it down. And then I'm going to put this one down, and I'm going to put some glue on top of that one. Just like that. Then I'll flip it over and use my bone folder and just go in there and reinforce that. And then these are your sides where you've got your score lines. And you're just going to press in on that and then push that together. Oops. If it tries to bend all the way down, just go back and reinforce your score line right there. So then that's what you've got. You've got a little milk carton. Super cute. And then I just clip it together with something until I can put my ribbon around it, or my twine or whatever. I've just got some of this colored twine. It's red and white. And I'm just going to tie a little double knot there. I'm going to have to prop it up against my belly so you won't be able to see it for just a second. I have to prop it against something to get that to tie so it doesn't slip off. So there we go. We can take this off now and then just clip those. And there is the little container. I think those are so cute. Now we can put an embellishment on here. That's a little bit wide. I don't think I want to put that there. I have some other ones here. I think I might put this one. And this is supposed to be a brad in the back, but I'm not going to use it as a brad. I'm just going to put it down like that. So I'm going to take my bone folder and press that down so that that brad flattens out on the back. And then I can put it down just like that. I'll probably just put it up on some pop dots and that'll give it a little bit of room in there. And I'll put this one sideways like that. So there they are, 4 of them. I made those in less than probably 10 minutes, all 4. And like I said, I think they're super cute. They'd be great to make for the whole classroom. Just make a bunch of these and give them to the kiddos. And I will try to get the carrier made for these so that you could use the little carrier for your kids to carry them to school in if you wanted to. Okay guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope everything looked good to you on the video. And we will talk to you guys tomorrow, hopefully, unless I get really bombarded with trying to get everything ready for Made It Con. If you're coming to Made It Con, I'll see you there next week about this time. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.